Welcome to Biochem Fusion. This is me Muhammad Naseem. Today in this particular video lecture we will discuss narrations. Narrations, also called direct and indirect speeches. Basically there are two ways to convey a message. The first one is direct speech. When we convey the message of speaker in his actual words, it is called direct speech. Second one is indirect. When we convey the message of speaker in our own words, it is called indirect or reported speech. Like indirect speech, he said to me, "You are my best friend," while here he told me that I was his best friend. Parts of direct speech. There are two parts of direct speech. The first one is reporting speech. It is part of direct speech that comes before comma. Like in this sentence, she said to her, "You can't compete." She said to her, that is come before comma. It is called reporting speech. Here the verb said is called reporting verb. The next one is reported speech. It is actual message of speaker that is enclosed in quotation marks. In this sentence, she said to me, "I am excited." In quotation marks, the sentence "I am excited," it is called reported speech. And here am is called reported verb. The rules of basic change. In positive and negative sentences, the reporting verb said or said to is replaced with told in case of object. Next, comma and quotation marks are removed. Next, between two speeches means reporting speech and reported speech, we place that. Verbs and helping verbs of reported speech are changed according to the pronouns. Capital letters of reported speech are changed into small letters. These days, that is not compulsory to put. After reporting speech, you can place comma, colon, and if you want, you can write without any punctuation mark. Specimen. There's a sentence. They said to me, "She is reading." Now in this sentence, "they said to me," that has come before comma, it is called reporting speech, and "she is reading," it is called reported speech. Between two speeches there is a comma. You can also put colon. And reported speech is enclosed in quotation marks, also called double inverted commas. In reporting speech, said is called reporting verb. Same like this, in reported speech, reading is called reported verb. Sentences. The first sentence is, "You said to me, I'll teach Ali." It will be, "He told me that he would teach Ali." Here said to is replaced with told. Next, "You say I can break this bundle of sticks." It will be, "You say that you can break that bundle of sticks." Because the reporting speech is in present, the helping verbs and main verbs remains as it is. Next, she will say to him, "You are accused of stealing a wallet." It will be as it is because of reporting speech, that is in future. Topics to be discussed in next lectures. Pronouns, here and now words, rules of tenses, imperative sentences, optative sentences, exclamatory sentences, let sentences, and exceptional cases of narrations. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment, subscribe, and share.